Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In the previous video we have learnt about the CSS font and different properties that are available to define the font on web page. So first one was the font family, font style. So we have learnt about this in the detail. So I just want to highlight the properties that we have learnt: font weight, font size and font variant. So in this video we are going to learn about the Google fonts. So in the previous video we have directly defined the fonts that were already available. So there are also multiple fonts available on the Google and you can directly make use of them on your web page. So if you do not want to use any of the standard fonts in HTML, you can use the Google fonts. So how to use these Google fonts? You just need to make use of link tag in the head section and then refer to the font in the CSS. So you just need to add the link tag to link that particular font to your HTML or CSS file. So we will see in demo how to make use of this. So this is my Sublime text editor. Here I have one HTML file, font.html. So let's first create the template for HTML file, HTML, and let's add here heading h1 and let's say CSS Google fonts. Add paragraph here, paragraph, let's say Code Crush. Add one more paragraph and CSS tutorial. Let's give class to this paragraph, class p1, and class for second paragraph p2. So this is our simple HTML file. If I try to run this file, let me refresh here. So see, we are getting this CSS Google font, Code Crush and CSS tutorial here. Now what I want to do, I want to make use of adding the Google fonts here. So how to add the Google font? First you need to go in the Google here. So I will search here Google fonts. So here you will get this website font.google.com. So I will click on the fonts. So once you get inside these fonts, here you will be able to see multiple fonts available. So currently I am seeing this on my web page, which is Tangerine. So if I click here on get started, and here you can copy this particular link tag here. So inside this link tag you can see here is a href attribute and this attribute is pointing to this font family, which is Tangerine. So let me copy this statement here, link tag, and paste it inside our head tag. Here you need to paste it. So I have already done this, and now we will make use of internal CSS. So let's provide a style tag here, style, and inside this style tag I will add properties to this p1 class. So let's first add properties to this p1 class. So p1 font family, and now you can copy this family here, like the value of family, which is Tangerine. So if I save this and let's see on the web page now, here font.html. So currently this Code Crush was looking on the web page. If I refresh it, so see the font is changed now, it is converted to Tangerine font. Let's add one more font here. So if you see here in the Google fonts, you click back here, then here you can see free to use. So here you can see multiple fonts available, so you can select any one of them. Let's say I want to have which one we can make use of. Let's say this font I want to make use of. So this is Ubuntu, right? So I will copy this font name, and here I have already imported the link tag. So first font was Tangerine, so I just need to separate the font. Let's say I want to add the font that we have copied. So you need to make use of the pipe symbol here, just separate with them pipe and add this second font, which is Ubuntu. Now what I want to do, I want to add this Ubuntu font to this P2 class. So let me provide that. So dot P2 font family, which is Ubuntu. Let me save this, and if we refresh the web page now, so currently this is how CSS tutorial is looking, but once I refresh it, so you will see it is converted to Ubuntu format. So in this way you can copy or make use of multiple fonts, separate them with the pipe symbol, and you can add them. Now another thing that we want to cover in this video is all the properties that we have learned, like font. Let me provide here, which is font weight, separate the semicolon, font weight, let's say bold. Then what we have learned, font size, let's say 30 pixel, and font variant. So font variant will cover all the small case letters to your uppercase. So all this is applied to P1 class, which is our code crush content. If I refresh the browser, so you will notice the difference here. All the letters are converted to uppercase, size is 30 pixel, and weight is bold.